In today's lesson, we're going to be looking at the gradient of a line as it passes through 2 points. So the gradient, as a reminder, is just if we've got this little blue line here, it refers to the slope, so how much it moves up and down. So we can see that as I'm moving it, it's changing the gradient. So let's just start off with some examples to make it a little bit clearer. So we're going to start with some graphical examples. And we've got a formula that m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So what we do is we take the 2 points on the graph. So first of all, let's write that formula out of m equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now our points on the graph here, we've got 10 and negative 24 as one point, and we've got 0 and 6 as the other point. So let's substitute those values in. So we're going to call this one, just to make it easier in terms of the explanation, we're going to call the first one point A and this one point B. So if we take the y-intercept of point B, so y2, that's going to be our negative 24 minus the y point on point A, which is 6, over the x point, x2, which is 10, minus 0. So pretty simple here, we can just go through, we end up with negative 30 over 10, and we can simplify that to be negative 3. So the gradient of this particular graph, this particular line, is negative 3, m equals 3. So sometimes we won't always be given a graph, but we follow the exact same steps. Sometimes we might just be given 2 points. So let's say, for example, we're given the points 1 and 4, and the points 3 and 8. What we do is we follow the exact same process. So we take our formula m for gradient, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So y2 in this situation is 8 minus y1, which is 4, over x2, which is 3, minus x1, which is 1. So 8 minus 4 is 4, 3 minus 1 is 2, and we can simplify that to be equal to 2. So this particular gradient, m, is equal to 2. Let's just do one more for a bit of practice. So we use the points 1 and 14, and negative 2 and 5. So same scenario, we write the equation. Our y2 value is 5 minus our y1 value, which is 14, over our x2 value of negative 2 minus our x2 value of 1. 5 minus 14 is negative 9, negative 2 minus 1 is negative 3, which gives us the answer, the gradient of m equal to 3.